Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving equations. In this video I have one with a fraction, one without. With the question with the fraction, what I want to do is I want to clear this fraction. Now some of you are saying, hey, subtract that 4 over, cross multiply, and done. You would be right. And if that's the way you want to do, the path you want to take, go for it. I'm going to try to make sure that all of my videos have the exact same path so that you all can know exactly what to predict in the way I solve my problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count my terms. 1, 2, 3. And my denominator is 7, so I'm going to multiply a 7 over 1 to all 3 terms. Okay, when I go through and I multiply by 7, here the 7's cancel, and I'm left with a negative 4d. 4 times 7 is 28, and negative 11 times 7 is a negative 77. Now I have a much prettier equation to look at. What I'm going to do next is there are 2 terms on the left-hand side. I need to move to the right the one that's a like term with the 77. That's the 28. Neither of them have a variable. I'm going to subtract 28 from both sides. I get a negative 4d equals. These are of the same side, so they get added together. 77 plus 28 of the negative variety is a negative 105. I'm going to divide by negative 4, and that's going to be my answer, 105 over 4. Some teachers like your answer as mixed numbers. If you're in my class, I do not. I like my answers, my fractions, improper and reduced. I know it's reduced because 4 is 2 times 2, and 105 isn't even. If your teacher likes a mixed number, then you have to do 4 into 105. 4 goes into 10 twice. 25, 4 goes into 25 6 times, 24, 1. It's 26 and 1/4. That's how we would do it as a mixed number. This is the answer that I personally like better. I like having one set of rules, and a mixed number has multiple sets of rules. All right, for my next example, it's much cleaner. There are no fractions to begin with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 6e to both sides. And hey, why not add 7 at the same time? I'm doing 2 steps in one. I don't always do that, but sometimes I do. 6 minus 6 is 0. I don't have to worry about those. 7 plus 7 is 14. 15 plus 6 is 21. Negative 7 plus 7 goes away. Okay, so here's where I see a lot of mistakes. Dividing by 21, you need to reduce your fraction. So if e is equal to 14 over 21, I can take a 7 out of top and bottom, and as long as I'm taking the same number out of numerator and denominator, it's the same as dividing by 1, and dividing by 1 does not inherently change a number. So e is going to equal 2/3. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks!